March 30th and April is only 2 days away, and that is one of the greatest reasons why I wanted to make this video, because I want this to be like a self-care slash reset slash getting my life together kind of a video. I think I have been slacking in most of my tasks, and so I wanted to make this video to prepare myself for the coming month and to be ahead of all my tasks. And that is the reason why my room gets messy so fast. I'm the kind of person who likes to work in a clean environment, but I'm also the kind of person who doesn't like to clean the environment, so that's why you got an issue here. Guys, I wasted so much time that even the ice in my coffee melted. I was just on my phone scrolling TikToks, even though I have so much to do, so I'm gonna hold myself accountable. I'm gonna put in some time checks. So it's currently 6:22 and I'm aiming to complete all the cleaning in maximum 30 minutes so that I don't waste any more time. Listening to Fernando Ramirez's podcast. Currently 7:30. I did try to finish up as much as possible, but I'm kind of having a headache, and also like it's gonna get dark soon, and before that I want to go for a walk. Let's head out, get some fresh air, and then we'll probably be back at cleaning. This eyeshadow literally just looks like the hyperpigmentation on my eyelids. Makeup is all done, and before we get on to doing all the work, I wanted to oil my hair because today is hair wash day. My hair's been pretty dry recently because of the winter season, and that is why what I like to do, I made this like oil solution. It is just equal part coconut and castor oil. I also added vitamin E capsules in there, and you just need to heat it up and put it in like a bottle with a dropper. I just use like an old face oil bottle so that it has a dropper, and it is pretty convenient to apply to my hair. If you guys don't know, I hate making like sleek ponytail and sleek buns because I have a round face and it kind of makes me look like an egg. But I had to do it just because I have this hair mask on. We're gonna live with it. Also, look at the view from my window. Like, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna start off by making a to-do list, because if I can check out all the things, I'll be more motivated to do all the things in the list. enjoy watching me sweep. Clean and it smells like cleaning supplies, we are going to set up new goals and new intentions for the upcoming month of April. And this has also been on my mind ever since I've started reading Atomic Habits. Recently I've started putting more time in reading books, and my first book is Atomic Habits. I am really glad that I started this book because if you're anything like me, I cannot concentrate while reading books, and that is the reason why it is actually hard for me to finish an entire book. But if you're a beginner, I highly recommend you start with Atomic Habits because it's such a simple language and it wouldn't stress you out. One of the things I learned from this book is when you're setting goals for yourself, also write down how you can achieve the goals. Let's say if my goal is to drink more water, I'll also write down how I can achieve my goal of drinking more water. Maybe I'll put reminders on my phone. I'll always fill up my water bottle, so every time I look at it, I'll be like, oh, okay, I need to drink more water. That is how you can create a habit. Alright guys, I let my hair air dry and that's why they look kind of crazy, but I think I'm just gonna read my book and then call it a night, and that will be the last thing I will be doing for this video. I hope you guys liked it.